Hi, I'm Michael Hackard, founder of Hackard Law. If you're watching this, there's a good chance you, or someone close to you, is dealing with an estate dispute during an already painful time. And I want you to know you're not alone. Today, we're talking about something that most people don't expect when a loved one dies: how grief can complicate the process of settling an estate, and why even the most loving families can fall into conflict. Let's talk about how love, loss, and litigation often intersect. When someone passes away, emotions are raw. There's sadness, there's memory, and often there's confusion. But amid the grief, families are suddenly faced with legal decisions: wills, trusts, probate, inheritance. And that's where the trouble begins. Because grief and litigation are two very different worlds, and when they collide, it can turn mourning into conflict. Unlike most legal disputes, inheritance battles are deeply personal. It's not just about money, it's about what the person meant to us and what we believe we meant to them. It's about memories, promises, old wounds, sometimes decades old, that resurface when a will is read. So when someone feels left out, or less favored, or suspicious of a last minute change to a trust, it hits hard. And grief only amplifies those feelings. Let's walk through a few ways grief can distort the legal process. First, we see emotional misinterpretation of legal language. Legal documents are written in a very precise way, but to someone grieving, they can sound cold or even cruel. Second, there's heightened sensitivity to favoritism. A slightly larger inheritance or being named trustee can suddenly feel like a betrayal to other family members. Third, unrealistic expectations. Grief often brings with it assumptions about promises made, roles played, or what someone thought they deserved. Fourth, distrust of those who were closest to the deceased: the sibling who lived nearby, the friend who helped with care. Their intentions may have been pure, but to others they can look suspicious. And finally, guilt-driven decisions. Some people hesitate to challenge a will because they don't want to be seen as disrespectful. Others settle too early to avoid more emotional pain. If you find yourself in a situation like this, where emotions are high and the legal road is unclear, here's what I want you to remember. You don't have to choose between mourning and protecting your rights. You can grieve and still ask questions. You can honor your loved one and still stand up if something feels wrong. And you don't have to go through it alone. At Hackard Law, we've walked beside hundreds of families dealing with complex estate disputes during moments of deep personal loss. We know how to navigate the law, and we know how to honor the emotional weight our clients carry. If this video resonated with you, I encourage you to subscribe to our channel and visit hackardlaw.com for more resources. And if you're facing a legal battle over a will or trust and need guidance from a team that understands both the law and the human Hackard, reach out. We're here to help. I'm Michael Hackard. Thank you for watching. Take care of yourself and take care of your future.